Tell me very honestly, how many times in your life you have played the victim role to prove yourself innocent? So many times, yes. And you know somewhere in your heart and in your mind that this is not the correct way to deal with your life problems. There are many people we see in our everyday life who always cry over the spilled milk, and it's become their constant habit of saying, "Oh God, I do everything in my life in a right way, then how I feel, then why everyone take my advantage, etc. etc." And we all know the truth. They are just running from the reality. They don't want to accept it. So, in today's video, I will give you 3 steps to follow so that you can stay away from the victim mentality the people used to play in their life. And if you are one of them, then how you can stay away from it, because it is really very harmful for everyone. So, the first step is stop crying over the loss. Imagine you have put some money in your business, or let's take an example that you invested 30,000 in dropshipping business and it failed very badly, and now you are broke. So don't play the victim mentality by saying, "Oh God, this is very untruthful and this is very unfaithful for me, or it is very injustice that happened to me. I can't deal with that. Please help me." No, don't do this, okay? Don't be the victim of your life. Take the responsibility of it. Take the complete charge that okay, this is my mistake, that I failed. I didn't invest it properly. I didn't take the background. I didn't check the background. It might be possible that you didn't research properly about your product. For your product, you didn't build the website correctly, or your ads were wrong. So stop crying over the loss and correct it and take the responsibility. Now, the second tip is focus on what you can build. If you are a student and you failed in that exam, what you can do? All you can do is to start preparing again with the advantage that you have already studied everything once a time. You can cry for some time that okay, this might be possible that my preparation was not up to the level to crack the exam. So take the responsibility and focus on what you can build. Don't cry all the time on thinking that oh, I have failed the exam, not what now I can't do anything, or etc etc. Okay. Now the third and the last tip is think in solution, not problems. We have seen many people in our life that always give solutions to the others, and on the other hand, some people always gives problem to the others. So don't be the problem maker, be the solution giver to everyone. If you solve problems of others, God will solve your problems automatically. So these are the 3 tips to follow and stop playing the victim role in your life, because victim mentality is very bad and very hurtful, because one day it can destroy you and take you away from your dreams going off.